Okay, today I'm going to show you a huge free traffic source that you can use for affiliate marketing. And yes, if you are a beginner, you can successfully use this method. But first, let me show you potential of this website. When you come here on SimilarWeb, you will see that this website is ranking number 15 on entire internet. Here you can see this website is getting 2.4 billion monthly visits, and when you scroll here you will see that more than 60% of their visitors are actually coming from highly developed countries, which means this website actually has a huge potential when it comes to affiliate marketing. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use this website to get free traffic properly without being marked as a spammer. Now, website I'm talking about is actually Reddit, and I know what you're thinking. You cannot use Reddit for affiliate marketing because immediately you will be marked as a spammer and you will be banned. Well, actually you can, and today I'm going to show you how to use Reddit properly for affiliate marketing. So first you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to come here on Reddit, and then here you need to search that niche. So for example, I just say that I'm in weight loss niche. So here I will simply search for weight loss, okay? And then here I'm going to click on communities. And here you can see there are all kind of weight loss related communities, or subreddit as they used to be called. So I need to choose one of these. And let's say, for example, I wish to use this one here. Lose it. Okay, when I click here, you will see that this subreddit has 4 million members. Now that is a big subreddit, okay? And here, what you need to do, you actually need to choose, I actually like to choose hot. Here you can see you can choose how to sort it, hot, new, top, or rising. I personally like hot, okay? And what you need to do, you need to go through these posts here and you need to find what are the most often questions, what are the most often problems that people have when it comes to weight loss, okay? So here when we actually read this, here for example, for someone who gained 10 pounds in a month, calm down, it's water weight, okay? Why do some kids beat child obesity while others don't? Now that is a question related to kids, okay? How to get over food FOMO, okay? Now this is the question, and here you can see there is lots of people who are asking different kind of questions and people who have different kind of problems. And what you need to do, you also need to click on one of these, for example, this one here. And then what you need to do, you need to go through these comments here to see, are there any other people who have the same problem? The more people have the same problem, like this person who asked this question, that means that this is actually a good topic. So what you need to do next, you actually need to write article on this topic. Now, my advice to you is to write this article by yourself. But if you cannot, you can simply come here on ChatGPT and you can tell it to write your article. For example, something like this. Write me a well-researched article on how to drink enough water when dieting, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will write this article for you. So, like I said, I would suggest you to write this article by yourself. So next thing you need to do, you need to go back here on Reddit, and then you need to go on your profile, okay? Go here on your profile, and then what you need to do, you actually need to click here on create, okay? Because we wish to create a new post. And here I need to select my own profile, okay? And now I will go back here on ChatGPT and I'm going to copy this title here, okay? Control C, go back here on Reddit and I'm going to paste that here, okay? And also this is another tip for you. Always open article with an interesting image. So I will click here and I will find an interesting image that I already found. And this is the image, and here you can see this is a chubby woman drinking water, okay? That is related to my post, so I will simply go back here and I'm going to copy this, okay? Control C, go back here and I'm going to paste that here. And you need to edit this a bit more just to make it look readable, okay? And all you have to do now is just go back here, okay, and then you need to click here add tags and you need to add some tags, okay? After that, just click here on post and that's it. You will post this article on your own Reddit profile. Now, you probably noticed that it didn't add any links, and that is exactly what you need to do. You cannot add any links. And after you publish this article, you need to go back here on Reddit, on this subreddit, and then you need to find people who have this question, who ask this question, who have this problem, and you need to comment and link back to your Reddit post. where you didn't add any links. And because this is a Reddit post and because you didn't add any links, you won't be marked as a spammer, okay? And also another thing, when you go here on Ahrefs Authority Checker, you will see that Reddit has a domain rating of 95, which is almost a maximum authority, okay? Which means if you do a good keyword research and you optimize your article well, your Reddit post can also rank high on Google search results, okay? But you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually promote my affiliate products? Well, you cannot immediately add your links, but after you publish few articles on your Reddit profile, you can add another article where you will add a link. But I wouldn't suggest you to add a link to add your affiliate link. I would actually suggest you to add a link to your blog or website where you are promoting your affiliate products, because in that way you won't be marked as a spammer. And also what you can do when you go back here, you will see that I actually have 4 followers. If I'm posting more regularly on this profile, on this Reddit profile, I would probably have more followers. And if you publish more articles, useful and informative articles on your Reddit profile, you will start getting more and more followers. People who will read your articles regularly, and that means when you link back to your blog or website, more people will start clicking on that link to read more on your blog or website where you are promoting your affiliate product. Now, this method is a bit complicated and it takes a bit of time and bit of work, but trust me guys, it does work. You will make money with affiliate marketing and you will get free traffic for affiliate marketing if you do this way. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.